If you're an Amazon influencer and you're approved for on-site placement and you want to scale your business in 2024 by doing more deals, brand deals, working with Amazon sellers, but you really have no idea where to start, I want to offer a free Zoom call, a group call with you on January 16th at 8 a.m. or January 20th at 1 p.m. Both of those are Eastern time. And as you can imagine, I get a lot of messages every single day asking so many questions about how do you shoot your videos, how do you reach out to brands, what do you charge a brand. I mean, all these questions come in, and I try my very best to answer them. But I just thought, you know what? People are asking, let's do a group call, let's do a Zoom call, let's jump on it and talk through it. And then there is going to be a mentorship offer at the end of that call. But the only way to even find out about that is to be on these one of these two free calls. Okay, so everything's very limited in numbers. My time, my bandwidth is limited, but I want to help as many people as I can in 2024. So if that's you, if you're highly motivated, you're an Amazon influencer, you're approved for on-site placement, this is going to be a good fit for you. So go, just fill out the form and come to one of those two free calls. And don't worry, the email that you give me is not going on some email list where I'm going to spam you. It's literally just to send you the link and just to verify that you're not some goof filling out the form. So go fill it out, and we'll talk to you soon.